Hey, Rose, let's make some cranberry sauce. Bring Daddy the cranberries. Thank you. Let's do it. Come on. Okay, Rose. First, let's put the cranberries in the pot. Can you shake a few more in there? Perfect. Ooh, that's gonna be bitter, Rose. A quarter cup of fresh OJ. Yeah. Can you push and get all the juice out? Push, push, push. That's the same bitter one. Let's pour some juice in there. You can drink that, Rose. The cranberry juice. Pour. Yeah, pour, pour, pour. A quarter cup. Yeah. She read my mind. I was just gonna say to put salt in there. How did you know that, Rose? Can you put some salt in there for Daddy? One more. Perfection, thank you. I need 1 whole cup of maple syrup in there. Yeah, that one's sweet. Pour it all in. Good.
What about the orange zest? You guys forgot.
Oh, we didn't do any orange zest, Rose. Daddy forgot. Now it's harder. Yeah, Dada forgot. Perfect. And here, give it a mix, 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 mix. Now I'm gonna put this on the stove for 15 minutes. Can you clean up for Daddy a little bit, Rose? Oh, the cranberries overflowed from the small pot. I had a feeling that was gonna happen. So we switched it to this pot. Check it out. Look what's happening, Rose. See, the cranberries are bursting here. And once they're burst even more, we'll just mash it up and then it'll be done. Hey, where'd my chef go? We're just about ready. Let's get this off the stove here. We're gonna take this and mash it a little more. Okay, Rose, this is an empty can here. Your grandma used to love the cranberry sauce out of the can, but that stuff is nothing compared to this. So this is what Daddy used to do to fool her. I'd take the homemade and I'd pour it here into the can. And then once this cools down in the fridge, Rose, for a couple hours, watch, I'll slide it out and it's gonna look just like the stuff from the can and nobody knows the difference. Try that. Much better than the raw cranberries. Ooh. Now she likes it, right? A little bitter in the beginning. Beautiful. Yes, yes, round of applause for me and Roasty.